guys, what's up and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be sharing with you the recipe for masala biryani, and this is really great, so keep on following the video to know the recipe. Okay, I'm going to be making the masala for the biryani in this clay pot. A, because it is very healthy for you, and B, because it gives an amazing great taste to your food. So make sure to use this. Okay, for the ingredients, we're going to be needing half kg of mutton and half kg of rice, which my mom has already boiled. So thank you. Okay, and over here I have 3 medium potatoes cut into fourths. For the spices, we're going to be needing 1 tablespoon of garlic, 1 tablespoon of ginger, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of zira powder, 1 tablespoon of garam masala, 1 tablespoon of suka dhania or coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of haldi or turmeric, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder or lal mirch powder, 4 tablespoons of dhania or coriander paste. So you just put in the blender and get the paste. And 2 tablespoons of mint paste or pudina paste, so you do the same as well. And 2 green chilies, again, paste. Okay, then we're going to be needing 3 fried brown onions. My mom has done this. Again, do not do this on your own, or else if you go outside, you can get this in a packet easily available. So be careful while doing this. We're also going to be needing 3 round tomatoes cut in these round slices. 3 tomatoes cut in round slices. Yeah. And half cup of yogurt. Okay. And over here we're going to be needing 1 to 2 cinnamon sticks, 1 black cardamom or kali elaichi, 1 star anise or badya khatai, 9 to 10 black peppers or kali mirch, 1 tezpat or bay leaf, 2 green elaichi or green cardamoms, 2 long or cloves, a pinch of ajwain, and a pinch of a black seed or kalonji. So let's get started. First, we're going to be mixing our mutton with all the spices. That's half kg of mutton in there. Okay, now the garlic, 1 tablespoon. 1 tablespoon of ginger, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of zira powder, 1 tablespoon of garam masala, and 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder or suka dhania, and 1 teaspoon of haldi or turmeric. So that's all the spices. And now for our leaves and seeds. Okay, so I got the bay leaf, the cinnamon sticks, star anise, the kali mirch, the black elaichi, ajwain, kalonji, green elaichis, and long. Indigo. The tomatoes, the yogurt, 4 tablespoons of this, 1, 2, okay, this is coriander, 4, 2 tablespoons of the mint, 1 and 2, and 2 green chilies paste. There. Again, please be careful when doing this. You do not want them to be black in color. You want them to be a golden brown color, or else it'll just spoil the whole biryani. So please be careful while doing this, or just get them store-bought. And there's 2 tablespoons of oil as well, which I'll just get. So, got the oil. I'm gonna measure out 2 tablespoons. 1, 2. Okay, I'm just gonna go get a spoon now. Mix it all. It's well combined. Okay, so if you're following along till now, this is what it should look like. You got your masala ready. I'm gonna put this aside, put the lid on, take it to the stove. And we're just gonna let the mutton. At this stage, when you think there are around 10 minutes left until the mutton fully cooks, we're going to be adding our potatoes and a splash of milk, or around a 1/4 cup. So I'm gonna add potatoes in there and 1/4 cup of milk. Okay. Now, just gonna mix this. Now that that's mixed, I'm going to put the lid on so that the potato cook. So that we're around 10. The potatoes are cooking at the back. We're going to be making our raita to go with our biryani, and for that I am making it for using 1 cup of yogurt, but it's up to your choice. So in this 1 cup of yogurt, I'm going to be adding 1 teaspoon of the coriander paste, 1 teaspoon of the mint paste, and 1 teaspoon of the green chili paste, half teaspoon of the green chili paste. And this is the leftover from the spices that we put in the curry. Okay, so I'm gonna add in. Okay, I have a small spoon, so that's what I'm adding into. Mint. And this will give a very good taste. Just half teaspoon of that. Okay, and then I have around half teaspoon of salt for taste, and half teaspoon of zira powder, again for taste. I'm just gonna whisk this. Just whisk it. As you can see, it is mixed. And at this stage, I'm gonna add in tomatoes, just a handful. I'm just gonna take it from here. So there's just a handful of tomatoes in there, and just a few onions. And because some people like to eat onions with their biryani, I'm saving these for later. So. Okay, now that that's mixed, I'm going to transfer this to the spoon I have. I'm just going to take the rest out. Okay, so now that that's done, to place tomato with onion on top. There you have it. Your raita is done. Then your onions with the biryani. So let's head back to the curry now. 10 minutes and the biryani masala is officially ready. Okay. I'm gonna I'm gonna turn the stove off and head to the counter now. I have my curry here for the biryani and the white rice here. I have taken out half the rice in this bowl and half the rice over here. The raita is ready, and so are the onions. I'm gonna set this lid aside. Oh, and I also have some zardarang here, which we're going to be sprinkling on after these are done. There. Whoa, that looks great. Woo. Thank you. Transfer this Just gonna put the whole thing here. I want to make sure it's even, all on the edges as well. This looks so good already. So now that all the curry's in, I have the rice here. I'm just going to take these. Some stuck to the bottom. Alright, it's okay. I'll use this one. Spread it. There. And that is our biryani. Okay. I'm gonna take around a pinch or a quarter teaspoon of zardaran and just sprinkle it there, just for color. Leave it on. Okay, a traditional method to putting the biryani on dum so that the rice does not burn or stick from the bottom is put a tava and then put the rice on top. Take the rice, put it on top, and we're just gonna let that do its thing for 5 minutes. Then turn off. Biryani is off the dum and it is here, and as you can see, it looks amazing. It's hot, you know, it's not going to bring it to the side. There, looks absolutely amazing. I'm going to take it out now. Okay. It's very hot, you know. Just gotta spread it out a bit. There you have it. There's still a lot left in here, as you can see, and this is like barely a third of it. So I have some mint lemonade, onions, and the raita that we just made over here. And I will share the recipe for the mint lemonade in the description below. And this is a very good substitute for cold drinks if you want to be healthy as well. So there you have it. Your biryani is ready. Your masala biryani, and it looks great. You guys should really try this recipe, and if you don't, well then do it now. Guys, see the recipe in the video that I just told you, and go follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok, and I'll see you there. Bye!